of the day. Don't hide yourself. Stand up, keep your head high, and show them what you got. Don't hide yourself. Stand up, keep your heads high, and show them what you got. Brie Larson thought she wasn't pretty enough. Every night, Brie would lay awake, listening to her mother's sob. Seeing her parent fight terrified her. When they finally split, Brie moved into a tiny apartment with her mom and sister. Brie opened her closet and see her only possession was 2 t-shirts and a single pair of jeans. Being homeschooled made Brie feel isolated from other children, so she saw movies as a way to escape into a more glamorous world. Brie watched Gone with the Wind so many times, even the tapes gone wore out, and she worked on perfecting her Scarlett O'Hara impression, but Brie was too terrified to let anyone see it and hide for years. Her insecurity only grew as she got older. Each day she spent hours staring into mirror, obviously trying to hide every last flaw. Brie spent so much time preparing for life, she wasn't actually living it and knew she had to take a leap. Becoming a superhero means saying goodbye to your old life and becoming something greater than yourself. Brie knew this when she agreed to play Captain Marvel, finally becoming a hero she needed as a child. Behind everyone, there is a hidden wonder. Let it out. So don't hide yourself. Stand up, keep your heads high, and show them what you got. Thank you. Have a marvelous day.